Hi everyone, welcome to Carol's Art Room. Before I do a bloom, I'm going to show you what I've done to make my cake spinner a little bit better. So this is my plastic cake spinner that's been making a lot of noise lately. And it's only 12 inches, I think. So I thought I would try and make it a little bigger. So this is, I think this is 18-inch. An 18-inch tile. So I've taped it on my cake spinner, centered it properly. So it's a ceramic tile, and it's got a smooth finish. I picked it up at the Goodwill store. I did have plastic on it at the beginning, but it's kind of a pain to put on and off. But if you wipe your paint right off after you do your bloom, it comes right off easy. And if there's some dried parts on here, they just, look, see, they just scrape right off. Easy peasy. Or even just with a bit of water. This is a damp cloth. So yeah, it's a good way to make your space a little bit bigger for your tiles or whatever you want to put on here. So this is a 10 by 10 canvas. That would work. And I just use puppy pads underneath and change them periodically. But there you go. There's a good idea if you want. This is all coming off. So stay tuned for a bloom I'm going to do. Welcome everybody. I'm just going to pour some white house paint down on this tile. I'm going to do a green bloom. I'm going to use some different shades of green. It's not a very big tile, so I'm just going to try and make sure I don't put too much paint down. I think I need a little bit more white. Just a bit. Okay, I've got some yellow green by Pivio. What's this? Champagne. Oh, that's the wrong lid for that. Yellow green. And I've got some, just going to check my consistencies. So it lands, it's smooth, and then it lands and it disappears fairly quickly. I could put a drop or two more in. And then I have Artist Loft Sap Green. And I have Phthalo Green by Winsor & Newton. I was going to put some green blue. It's been sitting. Whoa, I just splashed in my face. Okay, so let's see what color we'll put down first. I think I'll put down this sap green. Just a little now. And then the blue. A little bit phthalo green. And then yellow green. Okay, so let's do white cell activator. And black, or no, this is Payne's gray. Doesn't make mounds, pretty thin. Wow, that's pretty. But that's looking pretty nice. So I'm okay with this good. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you haven't, please subscribe. I have lots of bloom videos on my channel and tutorials. There's links in the description under my video for mixing paint and my recipes. For paint pouring medium. Oops, oopsie, whoopsie. The way this will stick now is if I put paint underneath. Usually I have plastic or something down, but not today. We'll see how it stays. Okay, so that's the middle has come back. I let the middle come back in. I think it's ready to spin. Seems to be pretty even, I hope. I'm going to try and tip it this way a bit. Seems to be stuck in the middle still. I'm going to go the other way. That yellow-green is very shiny. It's looking nice. Popping a few of these white bubbles that have been popping up. It's when there's air bubbles in my white paint. Yeah, I like this. See if it's moving much. Yeah, it's still moving. That's pretty good now. I'm gonna go the other way now. I want this to come down a bit more. That's better. Okay, I think that's good. I'm gonna let this dry, and I'll show you the dried results at the end of the video. There you go. I'll take you in for a close-up. Very pretty. I don't do green very often, but someone was requesting green, so there you go. Have a good day and come back to Carol's Art Room. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Give me the thumbs up. That would really help my channel. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried little tile. Look how pretty that is. I love that. Those cute little cells in there. Dried really pretty good. Pretty smooth, nothing moved. I think it's gonna look so awesome resined. I think I'm gonna do another green one. You can see that metallic green in there, shiny, and the gold. I don't know if there was gold in there. Can't remember. No, yellow-green, I think. Anyways, there you go. There's a beautiful tile dried. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.